Hey, what's up you guys? Before the video starts, I just wanted to say, ow!
Shut the hell up, Jake. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my fucking YouTube channel, where you will see Bigfoot hunting videos.
Granny, what's that next to your foot?
Bigfoot shit. He must be close. And you'll also be seeing Neighborhood Watch videos.
Granny, how much longer are we gonna be on Neighborhood Watch?
Until we catch that damn dog that's been shitting in my yard.
And last but not least, you will be seeing videos of me pranking the angry grandma. Hey, Granny, come here!
Oh, you fucking asshole! I ain't gonna fucking sit here and let you shit on me. You motherfucker. I'm gonna go have a fucking cigarette.
Come on, Gran, it's cold!
Son of a bitch, hold on a minute. The fucking lighter won't light.
Granny, I'm freezing!
I'm trying.
There, you got it lit.
I got it lit, finally. That fucking wind kept blowing it out. Son of a bitch. That means that we gotta walk all the way down there to go the fuck in. Son of a bitch.
Ow!
Watch where you're going, asshole. Know why the fuck I got one side open and ain't got the other one open. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. What damn time is it?
I think it's about 3 o'clock.
It ain't no fucking 3 o'clock. If it was 3 o'clock, I'd be knocked out. Shit. Son of a bitch. We still gonna have to walk all the way around there. Motherfucker. Oh, fuck, I think somebody's shitting that damn thing. The wind ain't killing that. You son of a bitch. You changed my fucking ringtone to that damn shit. The hell you didn't, cause I sure the fuck didn't, cause I don't know how to change the damn thing.
I never changed it.
The fuck you didn't. You had my phone at the house and that's what the hell you done, you motherfucker. You could change this motherfucker back. I ain't going no place. And somebody called me and it's, listen to that fucking stupid fucking shit.
Get away, Gran.
You're changing that motherfucker back. I'm telling you that right now. Yeah. Fuck you. What the fuck are you doing? Stupid fucker. Motherfucker. What the hell am I supposed to do with that fucking chair? Don't put nothing. Put this in my cart one more time, and that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get it wrapped right around your fucking head. $6 for that damn caution sign? What the fuck? Son of a bitch. Nobody got that kind of fucking money to buy something that damn stupid. What would the fuck would they want to have with a damn cautious sign? 20% off. Wonder how much those fuckers are. They should have a fucking price on them someplace.
That one in your cart's pretty nice.
They ain't. Motherfucker. I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you. Son of a bitch. See if I can get this damn thing out. You wait. I can't put that damn thing back up in there. You stupid ass motherfucker. I wanted to look at these fucking curtains, but can I look at them? Hell no, I can't look at them for your fucking eyes. Son of a bitch. That wasn't blue. That was, ooh, do it again, I done told you. I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Hey, Gran, look.
Put it, oh, give you the one more thing in this motherfucking cart, and I'm telling you, I'll walk the fuck out.
You said you wanted a new purse.
What the fuck? Oh, that ain't no fucking purse, you stupid ass. That's the last thing that I put up for your fucking stupid ass that you got down. Who's gonna pay $90 for that anyway? I sure the fuck ain't. That puts you in the mind of Bigfoot's ice.
What?
Bigfoot's ice. It's probably like that. Look at that. Motherfucker. Who in the hell? That's soft, that's nice, but who in the hell would want a rug like that? Hello? 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 Motherfucker. What in the fuck's that phone doing there if ain't nobody on the motherfucker? It's supposed to say call for help. There ain't nobody on the damn thing. Son of a bitch. Oh, you stupid ass motherfucker. Stupid mother. I told you, didn't I? I can't get that back up there. What the fuck I'm doing? You stupid ass motherfucker. Now look at that. It ain't in the right fucking place. They got it. What the fuck? Get the fuck away from me. Look at these little fucking things. $27. Who in the hell's gonna pay $27 for them little motherfuckers to be tore up and thrown away? Stupid. Fuck. Stupid. $39 for this damn thing.
Yeah, it's Power Rangers.
Power Ranger my eyes. What's it supposed to do any fucking way? It ain't even doing a damn thing. Yeah, fuck that shit. I can't even get it hung back up, fuck it. What in the hell's that bucket doing there in the hallway? Motherfucker. Somebody's been pissing in it. They've been pissing in that bucket. Somebody's been pissing in it. Well, I guess I'd have to sit down on it to take a piss, and I can't get that low. Son of a bitch. This is what you need. You could put me, I could get in that, you could hook it up to your moped and take, we could go for rides.
Yeah, we could do some wheelies.
You'd wheelie back on my ass. I know what you'd do, because you couldn't do no wheelie with that on the damn back of it with me. You fucker. Ah, damn. Oh, son of a... I'm telling you. Oh, motherfucker.
What are you doing, Gran?
Trying to turn this motherfucker off. Stupid fuck. I don't even know what I got it on now, I must say. Leave it. What? What'd he say? We better go get her. We better go get her stuff and get the fuck out of here. Quiet. Shut up. You're changing that motherfucker when we get home. I don't know where you get any fucking help around here. There's never nobody at where they're supposed to be. I'll throw it at you. Hello? Fuck you, Jake. Look at that shit. Damn. Motherfucker, wonder how much they asked for that. Right there's probably where Bigfoot lives. Right there, in that damn big tree. That big tree right there, do you see it?
What about it?
That's probably where Bigfoot lives. How the fuck did I get to my westerns? Fucking westerns. How the fuck do I get them?
Well, here's the paper, Gran.
For what?
This tells you all about them.
That don't tell me shit. That's got different shit in it. Motherfucker. I don't see a fucking tablet. I don't see. Oh, I'm telling you. Not for no $19, I ain't getting no damn ice paper. You can use your fucking hand. Getting that shit for that much money. I told you I'd go to the fucking dollar store.
Man, look.
Look, just look all the hell you want to.
We can get cookies.
Want no fucking cookies. God, it feels good to sit down for a minute. Son of a bitch. Oh, motherfucker. You did it to me again. Son of a bitch. I'm gonna turn my fucking phone off. If I know how to turn the damn thing off, I turn it off. I turn it completely off. That motherfucker wouldn't be calling me every few minutes. Oh.
Granny,
What?
you want some pizza sauce?
No, I don't want no damn pizza sauce. And that ain't pizza sauce no ways. Those are tomatoes. You need to get one of those buckets and a fucking mop.
Why?
To scrub all that damn bird shit on your porch. Get it off your damn porch. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. But that bucket's ain't worth no, how come they got $10.19 down here for the bucket and $5.99 right there for the bucket? Now you tell me the fucking difference. $16? 20 bucks? Who in the hell can get drunk with them prices like that? Fuck, I couldn't even buy half a bottle, let alone a whole one. Tequila? Have you ever drunk tequila? They got it on sale for $9.49. $17 for that bottle? $22.49 for that bottle right there beside of you? Son of a bitch. $18.99 for this. And it says margaritas. You ever had a margarita?
No.
I ain't either. I don't know what the fuck that is. How can anybody afford to turn into a drunk with the prices like this? $42 fucking dollars for bourbon. There's bourbon whiskey. It's still $40. $52 for this Tennessee whiskey. Motherfucker. I'll go home and I can get all kinds of that for 10 bucks. Buck. Come on, let's go check out.
Granny, you can't get that. It's nothing but alcohol.
I'm ready to go to checkout.
You can't get all that.
Why in the hell can't I?
Because.
Because what?
That's probably like $2,000 worth of alcohol.
Fucking ain't you got the money for it? That does it. I'll pull it back. I'm fucking leaving. I don't give a damn. Let everybody in here hear it. I'm leaving.
How you doing?
All right, how are you?
All right.
Good. Old motherfucker. Oh, mother. Son of a bitch. Keep going. I hope you keep right on going. I don't give a shit. I want to need some help in just a minute. Can I have some help? I got to do this for credit. And I don't know how to do it on credit. It's my grandson's card and I stole it from him. And
If it's
So-
an insert, you'll insert it and then you'll hit the green button.
$65? Motherfuck.
Turn
Turn
it around.
it around?
No, the chip's right here, ma'am.
Oh. See, I told you I don't know. I don't know shit about these. I've told you, quit calling me. Stupid ice motherfucker. No shit about this. Motherfuck. Don't call me no fucking more.